You know, every time I try and get out here and do a vlog, the weather's always like this nowadays. Foggy and shit. I got so fucking soaked the other day, I may insert clip. I know what'll help, I'll go faster. Speed and power. If I'm going fast enough, I can avoid the rain and hail. No, I was wrong, it just hurts. Just hurts. I think I momentarily transformed into Jeremy Clarkson there. But basically it rendered my jacket, boots, well, fucking everything I own basically useless for a day. Yeah, you fucking stay there. Yeah, it basically rendered all my bike gear useless for a day because the fucking stuff took so long to dry out. I literally just got absolutely poured on from the minute I left work to the minute I got home. So, kind of kicked the ass out of doing any more vlogs, even though the weather was astonishingly good the next day. I just didn't want to put my gear back on because it's still dripping. I was like, ugh. You know that horrible feeling when you slide your arms into wet jacket sleeves? You're like, ugh. I thought, nah, fuck that. Plus, I've still got to do the car to work once a week because of the whole not getting enough run time out of it. Oh, so that's that. What else? Oh, first official ride without the top box. Helmet box, not top box, helmet box. Very slick. Anyway, yeah, gotta say, all that rattling noise behind me's gone. I don't feel like I've got any kind of weight wiggling on my bum anymore. It has changed the way the bike rides a little bit, believe it or not. I didn't think it would. I was talking to somebody the other day and they said, oh, you'll feel the difference without that thing on the back. And I was like, pah, it's behind me. How much effect can it have? But yeah, it would appear it was causing a significant amount of well, sideways buffering was a guarantee, but the wind that goes around me was catching on it as well and causing a lot of like that sort of thing. This is a great vlog. All you can see is about half an inch in front of my front wheel. Whee! Fucking fog. So yeah, I'm glad I took it off. I don't know if they'll be going back on. I took them out into the garden and I didn't film any of taking them off because one, the Olfi cam is still MIA. Still don't know where my kid's put it. I can only hope he hasn't put it outside somewhere, because if he has, it's fucked, and I think the only thing I'll be able to retrieve out of it will be the card, if anything. But until that's recovered, fuck all I can do. We try and do good searches for it, but it's so small, square and black that it's fucking impossible to find. Could be in a corner somewhere for all I know, but anyway. Yeah, until that's recovered I can't really do videos while I'm doing things because I've got a camera that will sit and watch me. I've got my brother's old Drift, but I'm very conscious of the fact that that's in fisheye lens and I'd need to make some kind of pedestal for it to sit on, so meh. But it was such a quick job I didn't see the point in recording it anyway. It was literally one socket, one spanner, one Allen head screwdriver. Literally bish bash bosh. One of them was a socket and spanner, the other was the Allen head and the spanner. 2 quick twists on the front ones because they were just holding on to, like, tightening up a bracket, which was a piece of piss. It came off lightning fast. And then the Allen key ones, all I had to do was give the screwdriver a quick tap on the back end to shake them up a bit, unscrewed them, job's a good one, because they were screwed onto bits of metal that have been welded onto the frame. So, but I don't even think it took me 5 minutes. Anyway, getting back to the original point, I don't think they're going to go back on, because when I was taking it out into the back garden to store, I was going to put it in the indoor, the outdoor shed area that doesn't have a fucking door. I popped it in there and loads of water ran out of one of them. Like, I think it's the first time they've been upside down in a very long time, and a load of horrible, like, milky brown water came out, which, as we all know, is never fucking good. So it looks like somehow water's got into one of them, which would explain the rapid decay on one and not on the other. Like, one of them is so much worse than the other, like it's just caused all the paintwork to peel all over it. It's like a complete failure. Whereas the other one still got a lot of the paintwork, but it suffered considerably also. Ah, my eyes! So yeah, I don't know if they'll be going back on the bike, to be honest, because even if I clean them up, they're just going to go like that again immediately, because they're not sealed. Oh shit. It's cold and wet. Yeah, fuck it, it'll do. Maybe not. I could probably go one braver and do that. Yes. Yes, I like it. That'll do. Fuck it. This week on Brittany and 88's garage, I reattached my indicator. Actually, that looks pretty fucked, if I'm honest. Oh, Jesus. Fucking moron. Do sugary bum. Oh. Shut up. Nice. Oh, dearie me. I've been seeing that gentleman on the GPZ 500S for fuck knows how many years now. I often see him go in Tesco, Asda and other places down this end. So he's obviously fairly local, or at least commutes through this area. I've seen him for years. Then again, I normally am in my car though, because I don't come down here normally unless I'm shopping.